Your prank is sparking backlash and landing a teacher at Fenton High School in hot water. The stunt was shared on social media, and tonight the superintendent is calling it racially offensive. 7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette tells us the action the district is taking.
The superintendent of Fenton Area Public Schools says this is the first time they've ever had to deal with a situation like this out here, and they've immediately launched an internal investigation.
This was not a spirit day or an event sanctioned by the high school.
Take a close look at this photo snapped inside a classroom of Fenton High School seniors on Thursday. We've blurred out students' faces to protect their identities and the woman in the center, whom we've identified as a teacher. We've learned the woman has been placed on administrative leave for posing in the photo dressed up as one of several, quote, cholos, a derogatory term for a person of Hispanic descent. To get more answers, today we came to the district headquarters and questioned the superintendent on camera.
This is not what Fenton Area Public Schools is all about. So this incident occurred, it was isolated to a small group of students that came to the school dressed in such a manner that was offensive to other students.
Dr. Adam Hartley says this has no place in an inclusive environment, and he took action the very next day to send a message it wouldn't be tolerated. In this letter to parents, he stressed the serious nature of what took place and the disappointment felt by many. Referring to this as a teaching moment, he says steps are already being taken to make sure it doesn't happen again. For now, parents and students we found have chosen not to comment.
We acted promptly. Our high school administration have acted very appropriately, are taking this very seriously.
So far, no timeline on when that investigation will wrap up. However, the superintendent says they are moving ahead with cultural awareness training for all those involved. From Fenton, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.